thank you Mannat and cute little Shri for requesting this song. Yesterday was the best time to sing it. Best. There's always a time for something, and that was that, right?
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Howdy everyone, this is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stop. You must have noticed that I have a cute little capo here. This capo is going on the 2nd fret of my ukulele, hence the 1st fret starts from here now, as these 2 frets are gone. Okay, so 1st starts from here. Now what I've done by putting a capo is that I've increased the pitch. So instead of it's become alright, this is what a capo does. Okay, alright, let's get started. So let's begin with this song. These are the chords we're going to use here, the very basic ones. If you already know how to play them, just skip, otherwise stay tuned and we shall learn them. So the first chord we're going to use here is a C. So C is 3rd fret 1st string, very easy, right? Then we have A minor, use your middle finger and go to 2nd fret 4th string, this is your A minor. Then we have F, don't lose your A minor, keep your A minor intact, just put your index finger on the 1st string, sorry, on the 1st fret 2nd string, this is F. And then you have G. Now G is a downward facing triangle. Okay, amazing chord, and if you're a beginner you must learn this chord. It's beautiful. It's a 3 finger chord. So we're going to use our index finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string, that we're going to use our middle finger on the 2nd fret 1st string, and we're going to put our ring finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. This is G. Now coming to the strumming pattern, it is beautifully easy. It is nothing but island strumming, down, down, up, down, up. Island strumming is one of the most commonly used strumming pattern on ukulele. It is beautiful and goes almost with all the songs, hence I call it my khichdi strumming pattern. It just gels with everything. So it goes down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And I'm also using accenting here. Now what is accenting? I am yet to make a video on it. I'm really sorry. It is just the shots that I have up till now. I will link it, but मैं जल्दी वो video बनाने वाली हूँ. Okay, alright, let's get started with the song now. Let's start with the song now. For the first 2 lines we're using C, A minor and F. Okay, these 2 chords. Now it goes something like this. Start from C. First 3 pal we are just going to sing. Pal, 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 start. Pal, har, change. Pal, kaise katega, change. Pal, har, pal. Last wale pal pe C. Pal, 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 har, pal. Kaise katega, pal, har, pal. Pal, 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 har, pal. Okay, coming to the next line, we are majorly using F and G here. Okay, so ये चलेगा ऐसे. हम लोग C पे थे. दिल 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 में F, मची 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 है हल. G, हलचल हलचल हलचल. F, कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा. F, G, pal, pal, pal. Okay, and then last में C, pal. Okay, one more time, let's do it together from the top, from pal. Pal, 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 har, pal, change. Pal, कैसे कटेगा, change. Har, pal, दिल, 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 दिल में मची है हलचल, हलचल, हलचल. कैसे कटेगा, change. Har, pal, change. कैसे कटेगा, pal, har, pal. Lal, 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 same progression. La, 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 la. Okay. If you see दिल 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 में मैंने C पे पहले दिल 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 बजाया. अगर आप चाहो तो आप उसको बजा नहीं सकते हो, सिर्फ गा भी सकते हो. Okay, so it's your wish. And coming to the next part of the song, which is Oh Hum Safar. Now for this we're going to use in this particular line हम लोग चारों के चारों chords use करने वाले हैं, ठीक? So it will be like this. हम सब at C. Now we will go to A minor. लगता है डर, and then to F. रात कटे ना, and then to G. कभी हो, and then to C. सहर. Okay? So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, let's go. हम सफर लगता है डर. Change. रात कटे ना. Change. कभी हो. Change. सहर. Now same progression goes in the next line. इस पल में सिमटे उम्र, रात कटे ना, कभी हो सहर. Very good. Easy, right? चारों के चारों chords यूज हो रही हैं, बट बहुत ही easy switching है और एक clockwise बस टिक 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 चला जा रहा है. Okay? So nothing to worry. Very good. You're doing great. Now comes ये जो ओ हम सफ़र वाला part है ना, it's whenever you're playing this song, if you already are अगर आपको उकुलेले बजाते हुए कुछ टाइम हो गया है तो आप एक सॉफ्ट वेरिएशन ला सकते हैं उस पार्ट में, एंड देन अगेन पिक अप अ बिट पेपी स्टाइल में टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग. इफ़ यू गेटिंग मी, अगर आप न्यू हैं जस्ट कैरी ऑन एट वन पेस, ओके. लेकिन अगर आपको उकुलेले बजाते हुए टाइम हो गया है तो व्हाट जस्ट टू ब्रेक दैट मोनोटनी ऑफ आइलैंड स्ट्रमिंग में ही आप चेंज ला सकते हैं बाय गिविंग इट अ सॉफ्ट स्ट्रम एंड देन गिविंग इट अ पेपी स्ट्रम, ठीक है. Now here हम थोड़ा सा स्ट्रमिंग को पेपी करेंगे. यूज योर 3 fingers, okay, together to bring a nice peppy sound. So we're gonna start from C. तू जो है साथ मेरे तो चेंज A minor. डगर लगे के जैसे चेंज F. खूबसूरत चेंज C. घर. Okay, this is how the progression is going to work. Let's do it together. तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे के जैसे खूबसूरत घर. तू जो है साथ तो ये चेंज अंबर लगे के जैसे ना हो सर पर, तेरे कांधे पर रख कर सर, यूं ही कट जाए सारी उम्र. पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल. And that's it. That is the whole song. Beautiful. The next part goes exactly the same. So मस्ती में अपना उकुलेले बजाओ और खो जाओ पल 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 में, हर पल में, and enjoy this song. Enjoy your time. I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas. And if you want, you can just subscribe. I mean, it's the button is right there. Okay, if you want to. No pressure at all. Bye guys.